Hi everyone, welcome back. This is another introduction video for a new collab for 2020 called Having Fun Making Jewelry. I got my start in crafting, well, as an adult anyway, in jewelry making, and I have a micro business that I'm not doing very much with, and I have a few craft fairs every year and such, but I need to beef it up and get back into making jewelry, so I'm forcing myself to do that by having this collab. And I invited others to join me in this because some of my other crafty friends here on YouTube and elsewhere like to make jewelry as well. So to make it a little bit more of a challenge, and I call it jewelry, but it can be purse charms, planner charms, any kind of jewelry also. Like it could be paracord bracelets, it could be necklaces or just earrings every month, it could be bracelets only, you know, whatever the person specializes in, likes to make, whatever. But the only catch is we will have a specific, well, sort of a color scheme every month. I'll give you an example. January is going to be red, pink, or purple. So they don't have to use all three of those colors. They can use one of them and focus on that. It doesn't mean you can only use that, but the focus color has to be one of those three colors, red, pink, or purple. Now, to make it a little more interesting, I've given the participants optional challenges, and I've given them two different options. So they can choose to do, in addition to the color scheme, they can choose to do one of those options or none of those options or both of those options. So that's up to them. And I'm not going to tell you what those are until we post the video for the month. Now, we will be posting on the 18th of each month in 2020 at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern. So again, be sure to make sure you're subscribed to everyone down below. A few of the participants are not the same as the ones in the other participants. So be sure to make sure you're subscribed to each of these folks and that you click their notification bell twice so that you are notified when their videos go up. I'll also have a hashtag in the link that hopefully everyone will use, and that will help you find them as well. It'll probably be hashtag making jewelry collab 2020 or something like that. Okay, we have 8 participants including me. It's a little bit smaller group, but that's okay with me. And I will put a link in the video now. Okay, so that is the list of the participants' channel names. They're all on YouTube. There is one that I'm not sure will be posting on YouTube, but if she doesn't, she will post pictures in my Facebook group, which is Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage group on Facebook, if you're interested. But she does have a YouTube channel, so I'm thinking she will be posting there, I hope. So all the rest are, and I will also link all their channels down below. So like I said, be sure to ahead of time go make sure you're subscribed and see what we come up with. This should be fun. I'm hoping I actually can do it because it's been a while, so we'll see what I come up with. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Save the date, the 18th each month at 10 a.m. Eastern. We'll all be posting. You can watch it anytime, but I like to have everybody post at the same time. That way, if you are hopping along, you know, you don't miss a beat by going to a channel and then there's no video there. So hopefully we'll get this right, and bear with us if we don't the first month. So yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on the 18th, and let's have fun and play along. Okay, play along. Bye for now.